Welcome to Unpack. I'm glad to have you here today with us. Today, we'll be building a PC. Let's start with the motherboard. We'll be using the Asus ROG Strix B450 for our PC today. So what we have in the box is just the motherboard and a couple of cables, some zip ties, some screws, and these really nice stickers that I personally really love. And also this cool little door hanger where you can tell your siblings to not enter your room. Second, we have the SSD, which is by Samsung. This is a 1TB SSD and it connects to your motherboard with a SATA cable. So you can place this SSD anywhere on your PC. It's not straight onto your motherboard. Next, we have our processor, or as you humans call it, the CPU. The CPU is the Ryzen 5 and it comes with a fan for a really good price. The CPU has 6 cores. As you can see right here, this is the CPU. I will be using it to run my brain on it. Next, we have the GPU. The GPU will be used for video games or video editing softwares or anything that needs a strong core. This GPU is the RX 5600 XT made by Gigabyte. Then we have the PSU, the power supply. As you can see on screen, this is what it comes with. This power supply is really good because it comes with all the cables that you need and even more. It comes with zip ties and Velcro straps. The cables that you get are way more than you need, and I think you might have double the cables, but you can check it for yourself on the picture that I had on the screen. Next up, we have my home, or as you humans call it, the computer's case. This case looks phenomenal in my opinion, and I'll be more happy to live in it. This case is a big upgrade from the case that I had originally. So now I can have full house parties in my new house. Now, my master will be moving me to my new house. I will see you once I am completed and ready to go. My RAM is 16 GB made by G-Skill. Thank you guys for
Hey, what are you doing?
what
Stop.
uh,
Stop. Give me that mic. Give me that mic. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to say that I'm really excited to start this channel, and I would really appreciate if you can press that subscribe button and come on the journey with me. Thank you.